It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with your succulent tip of the day. And I am in one of our favorite Chula Vista gardens to show you how to deal with Mama Quadricolor when she decides to go off the rails and throw pups off all over the place in the most convenient areas, like tucked right in here next to this Echina cactus grissonii. That is not okay, Mama Quadricolor. What in the world are we going to do without impaling ourselves? Well, we're going to take our handy dandy shovel and we're going to get underneath, loosen up the soil. Ah, there we go. We got it. Now, yes, I am disrupting the roots of this barrel a bit, but the barrel absolutely couldn't care less. Okay. Yeah, it is. There we go. Whee! Oh my gosh, this is kind of like a teeter-totter. It looks really inappropriate. Okay, all right. Now, I think I probably have loosened it up to the point where, if experience serves, I should be able to just gently remove this quadricolor. No fuss, no muss. Okay. Oh, there we go. All right. I got that one. Now let's see. That one. Yeah, that one. Let's see here. Yeah. See, what happens is these guys, oh, this is going to be easy. Oh, there's two of them. Look, see that? All right, see how that works? These grow. Mom throws off really long runners, and these little guys can literally pop up in the neighbor's yard. I mean, it's aggressive. But look, we did it. We got it out.
While you're here, you want to show?
Oh yeah, and we've got a really, really nice one to replant. All I have to do is reset my rock, push the barrel back in a little bit. There we go. And we are good to go. Now, another thing that you can do, and this is just aesthetic. You don't have to do it, but if you have any OCD whatsoever, you will thank me later. But take these little spent blooms and pop them out.
Here, open up the white part for them so they can see all the little seeds inside. It's fun.
See that? If you want to dry those and plant those, look at that. There's probably 50 little barrel cactus in there. Yeah, and you can dry these little seeds. Once they're completely dry, plant them. See what happens. Report back. I don't have that kind of patience. But yeah, so this is so fun. It's like, yes. And then when we're done doing this, the barrel just looks so much tidier and so much cleaner. Well, you can tell, you know, from its little neighbor right there, how much better it looks without all these brown spent blooms on it. Yeah, you get the idea, right? Oh, but I can't stop now that I've started. Oh no! Oh well, okay. You get the idea. I hope that I have inspired you to go out and do something fun in your garden. This has been Laura of Design for Serenity reporting from Chula Vista with your succulent tip of the day. Bye guys!